Amen.
So I'm just throwing that out there. So when you show up at my funeral and you see somebody is talking at my funeral, then you know that they're not following my last words. Let's all prepare for that. We don't talk about it. We don't talk about that. Samoan custom is we leave that on the side, but it's changing a little bit. But let's face it, it's coming. We never know. I've tried it to lima suiba tausanga. And now we just so much akono tausanga it's a lot of years. I'm 59 and I still feel good.
Amen.
Look good too.
Yes, you do.
Amen.
I don't know if I might say that, but I know some 59-year-old people that having problems. But God has helped me along. I think I should do another few more years.